Welcome back to the only game show featuring an overflowing toilet. It's time to play
Will It Flush?
And now, our first contestant.
It's the Garcia family. Tom, go over to the big wheel and give her a spin, my man.
Looks like Tom landed on Scuba Ranger. I hope our aquatic friend brought his life vest. Let's get the call from our expert in all things flushing,
RotoRooter Dave.
Sorry, Tom. Better flush next time. Next up, Ellen Garcia.
Ellen, let's see that wheel spin. Good luck to you. Well done, Ellen. You've landed on smartphone. Very good. Now, Ellen, for absolutely no prize whatsoever, will it flush? I was hoping you'd have a winner there. And now for our final contestant, young Mr. Timmy Garcia.
Yeah!
Show that wheel who's boss, big fella. Look at that. Timmy's landed on Charmin. Now, Timmy, here's the big question. Will it flush?
Looks like Timmy really means business.
Well, there you have it. Flush with confidence, flush with Charmin. We'll see you next time on
Will It